Bula everyone. Today we will try to do this particular problem. The question is, let h of x be given as square root of x times f of x. Determine the value of h prime of 4 if f of 4 is equal to 4 and f prime of 4 is equal to 6. So the question is, what is h prime of 4 equal to? This means that we need to differentiate h of x first of all. Now as you can see, h of x, there are two functions that are being involved. One is root of x and the other one is f of x. So to differentiate this, we will utilize the product rule. Now for those of you guys who have forgotten what is product rule, if there are two functions, let's say u and v, and they are being multiplied and we are asked to differentiate that, then the derivative is equal to u prime v plus v prime of u. So for this case, let u to be equal to square root of x. Note that square root of x is same as adding x to the power of half, and let v to be equal to f of x. Then if I find u prime, that means I need to differentiate x to the power of half. To differentiate x to the power of half, I use the power rule. So let's bring half to the front and then reduce the power by 1. And reducing half by 1, we get minus half. And that is same as adding 1 over 2 square root of x. Then if I differentiate v, I get v prime. The derivative of f of x becomes f prime of x. So utilizing the chain rule, h prime of x becomes u prime v plus v prime u. So u prime was given as 1 over 2 square root of x, and v is equal to f of x plus v prime. V prime is given as f prime of x, and u is given as square root of x. Okay, so moving on from here, the question read to find what is h prime of 4. What is this equal to if, right, f of 4 is equal to 4 and f prime of 4 is equal to 6. So in simple terms, we are finding what is h prime of 4. And that becomes, right, in place of h prime of x, wherever there is x, we replace it by 4. So we will have 1 over 2 square root of 4, 1 over 2 square root of 4 into f of 4 plus f prime of 4 square root of 4. Okay. So that is equal to 1 over square root of 4 is same as 2. So 2 times 2 is 4. F of 4 is given as 4 plus f prime of 4 is given as 6 times square root of 4 is equal to 2. So that becomes 1 over 4 times 4 is 1 plus 6 times 2 is 12. Therefore, h prime of 4 is equal to 13. Thank you.